Hey everybody, I'm Tyler and I'm 13, and we're going to be talking about the AYAMAYA upgraded single underquilt. So the reason you get an underquilt is when you're hammock camping, your butt and your back get pretty cold. So the underquilt is pretty much just a blanket for your backside.
Blanket that hangs underneath the hammock.
So this one is really nice because it's got shock cords, so when it's really windy it's not gonna shake you around, and it clips on just really easy to your suspension. So right there, and you just slide it out. Another nice thing is it goes head to toe, just all the way that way and all the way this way, the full length of your hammock. So some underquilts that you get, they don't go head to toe, and then your head and your toes get cold. And then right here, it's got these loops. So if you want to attach your hammock to them, you can. I haven't really needed to use them, but they're always nice if you want to.
Awesome. Why don't you jump in and let's see what it looks like in action. So again, this is the single size. There's also a double size by AYAMAYA that we've got set up over here with the AYAMAYA hammock that's got the bug net built in. It's similar design, just the main difference is the size. So this is going to be the right size for a single size hammock, and the other one obviously is for a double size hammock. So beautiful. How do you feel? Good.
Another great thing about this is that the quilt sticks really well with the hammock. So it'll stick there, whatever hammock you've got, and it's not gonna slide up to where half of your body doesn't even have an underquilt.
Yeah, it does. It's designed real nice. It's kind of like a shape of like a hollowed out banana peel almost. So it mimics the shape of the hammock while you're in it. And then of course, if that ever becomes a concern, you do have the loops on the side that you can secure it to your hammock if that appeals to you. Awesome. Anything else?
Nope.
All right, perfect. Another awesome underquilt from AYAMAYA.